Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our updates and get notified about our new videos.
The art of engagement involves getting your consumers to interact with the brand and also deriving responses from them. And Facebook is really great for this. Brands are able to interact with customers using Facebook, and in doing so create a lot of engagement. In this video, I would like to talk about the different ways in which we can connect with Facebook audience and how they can be useful for us. So, in building interactivity, Facebook campaigns can be created for three different kinds of prospective audiences. The first is general Facebook audiences, that is the people on Facebook, right? You can advertise to them on a macro level and obviously spread your communication across. You can also advertise to the people who are connected with your brand page or a particular event that you may be promoting. In doing so, you can also connect with people from customized audiences that are made up of your current customers, but on the basis of different kinds of interests. There are different kinds of promotional tactics that we can use on Facebook. The first is post-page engagement, which allows you to promote your posts and receive a lot of response on the same. You can also increase your page likes, and this shows that people are already inclined towards your brand. You can also increase clicks to your website from Facebook, which basically means that you can move traffic from the social platform to your website. You can also track website conversions, and this is a really excellent way of using Facebook. In doing so, you'll also understand how many leads were generated from the platform. If you have an application that is downloadable to a mobile phone, Facebook allows you to promote this, and you can also understand how many applications were installed and, of course, over a period of time, how people are engaging with that application as well. If you are promoting a particular event, Facebook can be very useful for generating awareness for that event and also generating a lot of response. You can also send out exclusive offers on Facebook and understand how many people within a particular audience actually claimed that offer. This is very useful because you can obviously divide Facebook into three different types of audiences and actually understand how all three types of audiences respond to the offer and also show an inclination towards your brand. If you have a video that you're promoting, you can actually look at how many views came on that video, thereby understanding how audiences respond to video promotions. You can create a lot of awareness within a local community by using this feature, and obviously it interacts with people who are closest to your brand in a physical geographic area. Instead of using massive videos, you can also use slideshows, which actually make it easier for people to interact with the ad and are not as heavy when it is used on mobile platforms. Another option that Facebook has come out with is carousel adverts. Carousel adverts are basically a combination of multiple images that you can use to actually build a lot of interactivity and communicate a lot more rather than just a single advertisement on Facebook's newsfeed. Dynamic adverts are actually quite interesting. They help reinforce interest based on what customers may have seen on your website or your mobile application. And in doing so, brings them a lot closer to your brand again by advertising this on the newsfeed. You can also use lead adverts, as these are adverts that have been claimed as offers by your customers, and in doing so will also share information regarding the customers and contact information with you. There are many ways with which you can engage with people on Facebook. In this video, we talked about how you can interact with Facebook audiences using different kinds of promotional activities that Facebook offers you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Do like the video, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Check out exclusive coupon codes for our YouTube learners in the description and visit manipalprolearn.com to redeem it.